It is time for message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back, Wicked family. And in today's video we are going to talk about, once again, an SNES Mini clone. But this one is pretty damn unique. I have never seen this before. And I'm gonna tell you why this is. The 6-in-1 game. So this is not only Super Nintendo games or 16-bit games. No, this one supports 6 different platforms. Justy sitting out a controller and Daisy tried to catch him. Oh yeah, nice artwork, very nice. Alright, but what you can see here, it supports GBA, NES, MAME or arcade. We're having here, of course, the Super Famicom, Mega Drive and even PlayStation. I didn't make a review about this one. I did a review about the PAL version. It was also a multi-platform system in an, let's say, a little Super NES case. This one is the American version. It has the original ports. The other version I've reviewed had only USB ports. So there are a lot of differences. So in other words, this is going to be a very interesting product. The biggest downside at the moment is the price. Big positive side, we got HDMI, so that is very nice. So yeah, there's also one little thing that I'm curious about. If you scroll back, they're saying that you can download games, but if you look at all the pictures, or I'm missing it out, where's the SD slot? So I'm pretty damn curious, where is the SD slot? So yeah, nevertheless, if it comes in, I can make a review about it, show you what are we going to get. For now, I want to thank you for watching. It would be awesome if you become one of the Wicked family and subscribe to the channel. So subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel and see you next time. Bye bye.